Alright folks, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the red lights on your Bosch and Tassimo machine, coffee machine and tea machine. So you notice that there's two lights are flashing here. The first one is really around, it needs more water, and the second one is the machine needs to be cleaned. So the first thing you need to do is to take the machine, the container at the back out, where the water is in there. So make sure that's full of water. You need about 500 milliliter of water here. So I'm gonna fill that up with water, which you already know how to do, otherwise you won't have the machine. So let me just fill this up all the way. Okay, so I think that's good enough. And then there's another unit that you need in order to be able to do the cleaning. So that will take care of the light, red light for the water. On the back of the machine, you'll notice that it's really hidden away. So in here there is an extra device or a dummy cartridge that you need in order to be able to clean it. So you have to take this out, and once you take that out, you need that in order to clean the machine to get the second light off, red light off. So what you do, you take out the used cartridge out, and you put the dummy one in here. So once you do that, turn off the machine just to reset it, and then turn it back on. So once you turn it back on, you'll notice that it's showing the water red light. So once you put the water on, it should come off. There. So you notice that when you put that in, the red light for the water over here went off. So now there's no longer shows. So once you close the machine, the green light comes on. So in order for you to clean the machine, what you need to do is hold the center button for at least 2-3 seconds, and you'll notice that the machine, that light, the cleaner light's gonna come on, as well as the green light, and indicating that that's starting to clean. So I suggest using a larger mug, so that more water will be used to clean the machine. So take that one out, put it down here, and then hold it for 2-3 seconds, and you notice that the red light comes on and the green. So now just let it for like about 20 minutes or so. There's going to be interval of on and off, and you will notice after 15 to 20 minutes it will be cleaned, and you will need to turn it off and turn it back, the machine, to reset it, and then you can enjoy your coffee after that. And that's the way you turn off the red lights.
Leave a like and subscribe.